Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Audison and today's video is all about a Porsche Boxster 987 that we've upgraded with a brand new head unit as well as a reversing camera. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison Premium amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. So the radio that came in this car from factory was a CDR 31, a very dated unit, limited functionality, but now that's all changed. We've upgraded it with a Pioneer Z9200 unit. So we've added so much functionality now live directly into the Porsche interior. We've got a fascia panel that matches inch perfectly, as well as the fact we've actually retained the Bose sound system as well. On the unit, we've got a 7-inch touchscreen featuring so much more functionality, things like Apple CarPlay. It does it completely wirelessly, plus you've got USB charging facility, so you can charge your phone while on the move, but also have all that functionality. Apple CarPlay gives you live access to smartphone integration like Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, but you've also got Android Auto as well live directly on here. A really neat way of adding in so much functionality into the vehicle. So this unit also functions CD and DVD functionality. As soon as you press this eject button, it still maximizes the 7-inch screen, but behind there, you've got a CD, DVD slot, as well as SD card slot, all accessible by the touch of a button. The other really nice thing that we've done is hidden away the actual microphone on the system for hands-free Bluetooth plus Siri activation, which is located right at the top here, completely out of the way. Making use of the digital radio functionality inside the Pioneer unit, we've added on a glass-mounted 3 dB gain glass-mounted DAB antenna, giving you loads more functionality and taking away from that dated FM signal, bringing you right up to date with all of the news stations live on digital radio. So what we've also done is integrated in our ProFit wedge camera installation directly into the new Pioneer unit. It's a really discreet system that sits right in the middle of the vehicle, giving you a wide angle view live directly on the Pioneer unit as soon as you engage reverse. So we're all wrapped up here on the Porsche 987 radio conversion. If you're after something like this on your vehicle, you know exactly what to do, guys. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. More than happy to go through everything with you in a load more detail. But also remember to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We look forward to seeing you soon.